React JSX. Selecting selected on selected select option. In a React component for a select menu, I need to set the selected attribute on the option that reflects the application state. In render, the option state is passed from the state owner to the sort menu component. The option values are passed in as props from JSON. However, that triggers a syntax error on JSX compilation. Doing this gets rid of the syntax error but obviously doesn't solve the problem. I also tried this. Is there a recommended way of solving this? React automatically understands booleans for this purpose, so you can simply write this. Note, not recommended, and it will output selected appropriately. However, React makes this even easier for you. Instead of defining selected on each option, you can, and should, simply write value equals option state on the select tag itself. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.